Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how a user can improve text of qualitative matrix using AI, which is artificial intelligence. And this feature is very useful for all the users. Right now, as you can see in the screens, I will be logging to an author of a department. So once you log in, please directly go to the data collection tab and you can see the NAAC data. Once you click on NAAC data, you can find two tabs, which is qualitative and quantitative metrics. Please click on qualitative metric. So after clicking on qualitative metric, you can see these are all the metrics which is configured based on NAAC manual. Now I will be clicking on metric 1.1.1. Here you can see this is the description of the metric and this is the response box. Once you add the response box, beneath the response box, you can see the prompts. So we have added four prompts. So here you can see the four prompts are: fix the grammatical and spelling mistakes, concise the text to 200 words, 500 words, and 1000 words respectively. So now I will be selecting the first prompt, which is the fix the grammatical and spelling mistakes, and click on improve text using AI. So once you click on improve text using AI, it takes few seconds to generate the improved text. So here you can see in the screen that there is improved text which is shown here. So once you accept this text, the old text gets replaced with this new text. So for now, I'm accepting the text. So here you can see this is the improved text. So another feature, another prompt is concising the text to 200 words. So here you can see the word count is 989. So if you select the concise text to 500 words and select on improve text using AI, so again, it takes few seconds to generate the improved text. So previously the word count was 989 words. After selecting the improved text using AI, so here is the improved text. Once you select accept, here you can see the improved text has been concised to 458 words. And respectively, if you feel to concise the text to 200 words or 1000 words, you can select and select on improve text using AI. Thank you.